Hello all, you guys have survived week 1. Now welcome back to week 2 for general bio. Hopefully by now, or by the time you read this, you're either in the process of submitting your genetics disorder project or have already submitted it, as it is due at midnight on Sunday. Now, I'm recording this on Saturday, so you still have about 24 hours at this point. But moving on, this new week is a shortened one due to the Easter holiday. Despite the fact that we are at home virtually, we're still adhering to the holiday policies. So the next thing we're going to be working on is just a little more deep delve into biotech. So you're going to be doing a similar project on biotechnologies. Now, this project will be due on April 16th at 11:59 p.m., which is not this Thursday, but next Thursday, so you have time to work on it. So if you go to Moodle, and you go to your Moodle page and scroll down to the bottom, you will see that week 2 has been opened. And if you click on week 2, you're going to see 2 different assignments. Now, you'll also see the Edpuzzle, of course, but I'm in the process of recording it, which is why you don't see it now on my screen. So the first thing that you can click on is the biotech project, and once that downloads and you open it up, it'll come up as follows. Now, I have already done number 1 for you. I've selected biotech inventions for you to research. And these are the things I want you to look up about the research. I want you to do very similar what you did before, and you're going to create a video. You may use PowerPoint, you can create an infographic. There's a bunch of different sites you can do infographics with, and I find them very interesting. Brochures, just like before, whatever you feel is necessary for this. You can use photographs, pictures, computer graphics, but you need to make sure they're appropriate to the topic. You need to make sure your sources are current. So in the last 2 to 3 years would be best. No Wikipedia, no .com. And there is a rubric attached as follows. Now, we are in a state of pass-fail for most assignments. However, for me to determine that, I'm still going to have points on assignments to determine whether you've passed or failed something. So follow the rubric and try to fulfill all of the points available to reach that pass, because you never want to underestimate the amount of effort you've put in. You need to be creative, you need to have your sources listed, you need to tell me about the positives and negatives of your invention, its importance, what it is, all about it. It's definitely not as detailed of a project as the genetic disorder project, but it should be just as interesting. Now, that was the introduction to what I expect in the rubric. The topics I've already assigned. So if you click on biotech topics below, you'll get a list like this. I've listed your name and your project topic. This cannot be changed, but these are the topics as follows. If you are struggling to find information about your topic or you need help, you need to contact me before this is due. I have office hours, as I reminded, on Tuesdays and Fridays from 12:30 to 1:30 if you want a video conference. Now, that being said, this should be an interesting project. I think you'll learn more about really unique biotechs, and I hope you enjoy it. Now, enjoy your week 2. I'll be in touch about at the beginning of week 3 again, just to make sure you're getting through this and to add what else is expected for that week. But this is what's expected for this week. This Edpuzzle and this project. And you have until the 16th at 11:59 p.m. to get this turned in. So have a great week. I hope you're keeping up with all your classes and enjoying.